IPD offers the authentic Sanikey. Sanikey is a brand new product that helps reduce your surface point of contact by up to 99%. It's made from high quality zinc alloy and it works on most surfaces, touch screens, door handles, and buttons. This incorporates a small hole so you can easily attach it to your keychain. If you're looking to minimize exposure to germs while pumping gas or touching keypads while paying for your groceries, this little tool is a lifesaver. Get your authentic Sanikey today from IPD.